Hello, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. And this is your update on the top three legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic one, the 2023 National Cleaning Week and Clean Advocacy Summit were a huge success. The U.S. House of Representatives, 19 states, and several cities joined in on proclaiming March 26th through April 1st National Cleaning Week, in addition to hundreds of companies participating and promoting the week in their own unique ways. As part of the festivities, more than 75 cleaning industry leaders gathered in Washington, D.C. to participate in the 2023 Clean Advocacy Summit, the premier fly-in for the cleaning industry. These advocates met with more than 80 congressional offices in support of tariff relief, ending period poverty, and expansion of the workforce by calling for the creation of a new temporary visa program. ISSA also gave their annual awards for outstanding government service to Senator John Boozman of Arkansas and Representative Grace Meng of New York. Save the date for the 2024 National Cleaning Week and Clean Advocacy Summit, which will take place March 24th through March 30th of next year. Topic two, new legislation would increase overtime limits. A federal bill would expand overtime eligibility to salaried employees who earn up to $45,000 per year. This is up from approximately $35,000 a year, and also increase each year up until it reaches nearly $83,000 in 2027, according to Human Resources Director. It's long past due or long past time. Overtime work meant overtime pay, said Senator Sherrod Brown of Ohio, who joined Democrats in introducing the measure in both the U.S. House and Senate. The Biden administration's last regulatory agenda targeted for May for a release of a notice of proposed rulemaking, which would change the regulations governing exemptions to federally mandated overtime pay. Details of the substance of this proposed rulemaking are still unavailable, but it's very likely that the Department of Labor will issue one this fall, even if they miss their May deadline. The proposal also could include salary thresholds and possibly some changes to the duties test, both of which could impact the cleaning industry. Topic three, joint association letter to President Biden on port negotiations. ISSA joined a coalition letter to President Joe Biden regarding the ongoing West Coast port negotiations in Long Beach between the International Longshore and Warehouse Union and the Pacific Maritime Association. The contract has been expired for over 8 months. And labor negotiations have been ongoing for about 10 months with little to no progress. According to the letter, it's imperative that the administration work with these parties to quickly reach a new agreement and ensure there is no disruption in port negotiations and cargo fluidity. This is obviously of great interest to the cleaning industry, as many of imports and exports related to our industry come in and out of those ports. And this was your Cleaning is Essential update on the top three legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry. You can sign up for ISSA's free legislative and regulatory e-newsletter by going to issa.com/takeaction.
We're strongest when we work together. ISSA is advocating for you by actively lobbying governments on the biggest challenges facing the cleaning industry and your business. We need your help to win key legislative and regulatory victories in Washington, D.C. and all 50 states. Support the cleaning industry and make your voice heard by contributing to the ISSA Advocacy Fund at issa.com/advocacy fund.